So what's our question? Some final summarizing points. Does winning a free fair election automatically confer a mandate for governing? We've given a host of possible arguments so far, so feel free to go back and pick out some you found captivating or persuasive. So I think it's quite clear from a lot of present and past literature and theory, so recent debates and past theorists, that the mandate is not a fixed one. Democratic election may confer a solid mandate for a government, but this should exist according to an established degree of some adherence to principles and behaviors that protect the people. So this is the notion that there should be a check. It shouldn't be an automatic conferring of a mandate. It should be conferred on certain terms. After all, why do governments exist? Why do we have a government? They exist for the people, to protect the rights of the people. They shouldn't be allowed to do what they want. They're not a business. They're not an enterprise. They should have checks to make sure they are working for the people. I also think that a mandate is not fixed. It's not permanent. And these institutions we should have in place, these rules we should have in place, should make sure that if that a government's mandates, the government is conferred a mandate if it continues to behave according to the will of the people. So it's not a permanent institution.